Hi everyone, Paul Akers. My new book, Lean Life, has a lot of very interesting concepts in it, but one of those concepts is to know yourself. And I found out that at 58 years old, I really didn't know myself that well. And so in the book, I talk about this concept of knowing yourself. And essentially what it is, do you know really what makes you happy and what makes you unhappy? And have you really taken a deep dive into your soul to answer those questions? But you can't just ask it like I'm doing right now. You literally have to write it down with pen and paper or on your phone or in your computer, and then review that document on a regular basis, like every day, once a week, once a month. So unequivocally, without any ambiguity, you know exactly what it is you're doing in this world, what's your purpose in life, what makes you happy, what makes you unhappy, and then establishing countermeasures to correct those things that make you unhappy and making sure you stay laser focused on those things that make you happy. That's what I did when I was 47 years old, and it changed my life. And over the course of the next 11 years, I began to write the book, Lean Life, and how I applied lean principles to systematically approach my life, my happiness, my fulfillment in the way I conducted my life in a very thoughtful way. There's lots of other cool little twists and turns in the book that I think you might find interesting. Of course, you can listen to it on YouTube. I've read it out loud there and it's for free. Or you can go ahead and buy the book, or you can download the PDF, whatever's best for you. But the bottom line is, you need to know yourself. And that is a process, just like everything in life is a process. And I created a lean process, and I lay that out clearly in the book. So I hope that helps. Enjoy the book. Remember, know yourself.